Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Today we are here to demolish the illegal extensions done to the structures which belongs to the Department of Tourism. There are 5 structures over here into 6, that is totally 30 shops. So this is a High Court monitored case, and CRZ has passed an order on 13th of October and given the department 1 month of time to demolish all the illegal extensions which have been done to the all the major structures. So today we are here to demolish all the illegal extensions along with my team. So, and along with that, we have been told to remove all the illegal gadas which are there in survey number 37/11.
License, SEDA license 2035 ते मार्क्स केला मुझे रिवॉक केला विदाउट टेलिंग एनीथिंग आणि जेव्हा धंदो करता आलो आणि सांगप ना काय ना रातीको 9:30 येयले आनी म्हाका ही ऑर्डर सर्व केल्या हांव नको गव्हर्मेंटाक केसो रूल ते 9:30 येवन म्हाका सर्व कोताय ते आनी टायम ना आमी स्टे आठवले म्हणून टायम ना ते आतां म्हणटा तूं काड सगळे शेट बीट काड आमगे धंदो कितें चलोवपा जाता आमी जे सारे धंद्याचे आमी जियेताय.
They have got an order. They have come to justify this order. पूण मुगेले आज एक रिक्वेस्ट टुरिझम मिनिस्टराक फाल्यां कोलवा टुरिस्ट जो येवपा आहा एक 500 लोकां ब्रेकफास्ट दिवपाची आमकां गरज आहा 500 लोकां दनपारां आमकां लंच दिवपाची गरज आहा. So we want a letter from the tourism department today itself ki to give them permission to allow them so that tourists can sit. Touristank bospak, shade galpak, temporary till you come up to a permanent solution.